Hello everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. Big victory of Sindhe BJP alliance in Panchayat elections for more than 50% seat. Yogi government will work on the feedback of the union suggestions for improvement in the field of education, economic and security. Mudslide and flooding as typhoon batters Japan. The steering of elections increased Nadda on 2 days Gujarat tour, also reaching Kejriwal. Now news in details. In the results of Maharashtra Gram Panchayat elections, the ruling Sindhe BJP alliance has claimed a big victory in the state. Maharashtra BJP President Chandrasekhar Bankole said that the people of the state have also approved the Sindhe Fadnavis government. He claimed that more than 50% of the newly elected sarpanches have supported this alliance. BJP leader Bankole said that the election of the 547 Gram Panchayat in 16 districts of Maharashtra were held on Sunday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the 2-day National Mayor Conference to be held online in Gujarat's capital Gandhinagar on Tuesday. This information was given by BJP National Secretary Ritu Raj Sinha. He said that the 121 mayors and deputy mayors of BJP-ruled urban local bodies across the country would participate in the 2-day event. The conference is being organized by the Good Governance Cell of the BJP. Rituraj Sinha said that the Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate the National Mayor Conference online on Tuesday morning as well as address the people present there. The quality report of COVID laboratories, which reached 13,000 in the country in 20 months due to corona epidemic, has now come to the fore. Experts from the New Delhi-based Indian Council of Medical Research tested all these laboratories on the basis of the External Quality Assurance Program scale, which include both government and private laboratories. Out of 3,953 were tested. It found that 93%, 891 labs scored an EQA score of 80% or more, while 7% got a low score, on the basis of which the ICMR has given instructions for immediate improvement in the quality. The 2-day coordination meeting of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh came to the force in coordination meeting of the government, the BJP and the Sangh at the Chief Minister's residence on Monday evening. On the ground, reality in the field of economic, educational, social and security. The government has assured department-wise reform on the feedback received from the ideological organizations. At the same time, ideological organizations also keep the work and achievements of the government in view of the upcoming Lok Sabha election among the people of their respective areas. Typhoon Nanmadol has killed at least 2 people and injured 90 others since it made landfall on the southernmost island of Kyushu on the Sunday morning. 9 million people have been told to evacuate and more than 3,50,000 homes are without power. Forecasts predict up to 400 millimeters 16 inches of rain over the next 24 hours. State broadcaster NHK said on one man was killed when his car was submerged in flooding and another died after being buried in a landslide. One more person remained missing and reports say 87 others have been injured. Super typhoon brought gusts of 234 km per hour, destroying homes and disrupting transport and businesses. It's equivalent to a category 4 or 5 hurricane. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. These days, railway work is going on in Narkota as well as bridge construction work from the highway is being done here, which has narrowed the highway here. Due to this, it got jammed here at 2 in the afternoon on Monday. On seeing this, squeeze of vehicles started on both sides of the highway. There were queues of vehicles on the highway for about 3 kilometers. Everyone breathed a sigh of relief when the jam opened at 5 in the evening. In fact, a large number of passengers are reaching from Char Dham these days, which has greatly increased the number of vehicles on the highway. After nearly 3 decades in the Kashmir Valley, people dream of watching the film on the big screen is going to be completed on Tuesday with the opening of the first multiplex cinema in the valley. The inaugural Deputy Governor will be Manoj Sinha Vijayadhar, of the owner of the prestigious private school, said the multiplex would be open to a public on Tuesday with a special screening of Lal Singh Chadda starring Aamir Khan. Regular show will be begun with a screening of Vikram Vedda starting Hrithik Roshan and Saif Ali Khan from 30 September. The figure of devotees coming to see Badrinath Dham has reached beyond 13 lakh of Monday. As of Monday, 13 lakh 5,636 devotees have seen Lord Badri Vishal in Dham. Media in charge of Badrinath Kedarnath Temple Committee, Dr. Harish Kaur, said that the large number of passengers are arriving in Dham these days. On Sunday, more than 18,000 passengers arrived here for sighting. At 4 o'clock on Monday evening, 9,340 passengers have arrived in Dham for sighting. The government has made registration mandatory for travels. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.